Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to VisionIGCSE. It's classes for IGCSE, GCSE student around the globe. So today we have to discuss first question of February-March 2023 extended paper and our regular batches and regular classes to understand tips and tricks, methods and concepts going on. So if you want to connect with us, I have left the contact in the description box. Let's straight away move on to question. So question 1, Alan and Beatrice shares the $750 in a ratio of 8:7. Show that Alan receives 400. So here Alan's share is 8 over 8 plus 7 total share times 750, which is equal to 8 upon 15 times 750, which is equal to $400, and that is what we have to show here. Then nextly, second question, Alan spent $150 out of 400. So we have to calculate the percentage. Just to calculate percentage here, you can divide 150 by 400 times 100. These two zeros get cancelled out and your answer will be here 37.5%. Then next question, he invests remaining 250 at a rate of 2% per year simple interest. Calculate amount Alan has at the end of 5 years. Means amount we have to calculate, not a simple interest. So we will calculate simple interest and add to the principal, we will get the amount. So here simple interest is equal to P N R over 100. So P is 250 times N is 5 number of years, then 2 divided by 100, 10 cancel out, then 5 times 2 is 10, 10 get cancel out, and your answer is simple interest 25. Then amount A is equal to principal plus simple interest, which is equal to 250 plus 25, that is 275 is the answer, is the simple interest. Fine. Then nextly, the batteries invest 350 at a rate of 0.25% per month. Here per month compound interest. Calculate batteries has at the end of 5 years. Give the correct nearest dollar. Here amount at the end of 5 years, it will be equal to in compound interest P times 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. Now we have to calculate here month. In a 1 year we have a 12 months, so multiply this N times 12, and here put out the all values. Principal is 350 times 1 plus R is 0.25 divided by 100 raised to N 5 times 12, okay, which will be equal to 60. Now whenever you start doing this calculation, start from this part, 0.25 divided by 100, then add 1, then whatever the answer you will get raised to 60, okay, then times by 350, then you will get the right answer. Otherwise you may end up in the wrong answer. So answer is 406.56, which is equal to 407. Alright. Then nextly, Curl, Dina and Eva shares 100 oranges. The ratio of Curl is to Dina oranges, it is equal to 3:5, and Curl is to Eva, it's 2:3. So number of oranges Curl receive, we have to calculate. So in short, we will use C, D and E. So that means it will be easy for our communication and explanation as well. So here C is to D is 3:5, fine, and C is to E is 2:3, fine. So to get C is to D is to E means their ratio, we have to multiply this ratio by 2, and the Curl is to Eva ratio by 3. Why we have to make this one? Because we have to make this Curl ratio same. That's why we have to multiply by the LCM. Fine. You will get C is to D as a 6:10, right, and C is to E, which is 6:9. You will get, means ultimately you got here, you can see C, you got Curl's ratio as a 6. It means C is to D is to E, you can write as a 6:10:9. Fine. Now you can calculate easily Curl's, how many oranges Curl's got or received is equal to 6 over 6 plus 10 plus 9 total times 100, which will be equal to just a 24. Fine. And this is the answer. And this is 2-mark question. You have to write down these step-by-step answers. Until unless you write this step-by-step, you will not get the 2 marks completely. Alright, so it is expected you to write these things. Fine. Nextly, Fred buys the house. At the end of first year, the value of house increases by 5%, and at the end of second year, value of house increases by 3%. Value at the end of first year, the value of Fred's house at the end of second year is $60,564. So how much Fred paid for the house, means initial amount he paid. Okay, so let's assume X amount he paid at the beginning, and this X amount is increased, means house value increased 5%, so 105 over 100 times second year it increased 103 over 100, and at the end of the 2 year its value is 60,564. You have to make this relation simple, and the X will be 60,564 times 100 by 103 times 100 divided by 105. That's it. And if you do all this simplification in your calci, you will get straight away $56,000. Alright, so this is how, means you have to write. Fine. And this is 3-mark question, so it is expected you to write these things. Okay, and our regular batches and continuous classes are going on, and recently even results are out for previous year. All of the students got AA star grade. Suppose if you want to achieve AA star grade, looking for better options, then you can consider our classes as well. Then last question is the Gabrielle invest $500 at a rate of 5% per year compound interest. At the end of 8 year, Gabrielle's investment is 609.20, and we have to calculate R value. So here compound interest. First of all, compound interest formula is A is equal to principal times 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. We have to use this in a reverse way. Look at here, A is amount becomes after 8 year, it will be 609.20 is equal to 500 times 1 plus R over 100 raised to 8. And then nextly you can rearrange all this thing. Suppose if you take this 8 to the left hand side, it's a 8th root, so it's a 8th root of 609.20 divided by 500, which will be equal to 1 plus R by 100. If you do the simplification, it will be, means if you put in the calci, it will be 1.0249. it will be equal to 1 plus R by 100. Fine. Then transfer this 1 to the left hand side. Okay, so 1.0249 minus 1, which is equal to R by 100. Then you have to transfer 100 to the left hand side. Okay, so it will be 0.0249 times 100 is equal to R. Means you just have to switch 2 point to the right when you multiply by 100. So it will be 2.49, and it's around 2.5% is the rate of interest. Okay, so this is how, means step by step you have to write answers to get 3 out of 3 marks. I hope you like this video. Share and subscribe to our channel. If you want to connect with us, I have left the contact in the description box. Thank you.